Here's my partner.
I'm not doing any videos today.
Here's my partner last session.
Last session, I know. It's been real.
She's disappointed in me just because I got another partner.
It's okay.
I wasn't getting rid of her, but she got rid of me.
It's okay. I didn't get rid of you.
You still with me?
I'm here.
Okay.
But me being here is not enough for Wesley. I know this. Yeah, he already told me I'm not committed. I don't listen. I mean, I could go on and on and on. I don't know.
But she's been the best thing that happened to me since my newborn babies. Since I became a father, she's been great to me. She showed me, she's helping me dance.
And he treats me like this. Anywho.
Saturday, basic. Oh, yes, stand up. Basic right turn on. Basic. Left turn rotation. Half turn face to the right.
Face the refrigerator.
I want to take you see my car. That's fine. Basic half right, first basic half right. Basic. First basic half right.
He sent me home. You said half right.
Yeah, y'all discombobulated.
He just sent me home. Roll the tape. He just sent me home.
Almost sent her home, man.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Man, get together. Basic, half right. Take it back. I said take it back.
What does that mean?
Take it back where you just came from. Take it back. I'm surprised I never seen it early. Now, the male side this way. Girl.